Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Stephanie, and today I wanted to show you how we finished the door panels in our van. To begin, we had to re-insulate our doors. We threw out the old insulation in the doors so we could get something new and clean. We used glass mineral wool insulation that we got at Mennards. Once those were cut and in place, we were able to begin working with the wood. We used a 1/4-inch birch plywood. It's the same wood we used in our ceiling to finish them out. We bought it in 8-foot sheet and then took it home and got to measuring. Once all of our measurements were complete, we moved on to cut them into shape. After they were cut, it was time to install them in our van. Chris took extra time to make sure the lines lined up correctly and that the cutouts for the door handle and where the door latch would be lined up perfectly. After that, all we had to do was drill some pilot holes, screw them in. Now all that was left to do was to sand them down and stain them. We used a 2-in-1 stain and polyurethane mix in pecan, and I was very pleased with the results. We used the same stain on our ceiling and some accent pieces in the van as well. That's all for this week. Smash all the buttons if you like this video, and subscribe so you never miss a video. We'll be seeing you guys soon.